Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Otter.ai with Zapier for meeting notes automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Otter.ai with Zapier for meeting notes automation, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Next, log into your Otter.ai account in a separate tab. Ensure you have a premium Otter.ai plan, as the integration features may require it. Once logged into Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button located in the upper right corner. In the Trigger app search bar, type and select Otter.ai. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new transcript. You will be prompted to connect your Otter.ai account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to Otter.ai and follow the authentication steps provided. After connecting, test your trigger to ensure it correctly pulls data from Otter.ai. Click Continue to confirm the successful setup of the trigger. Next, select the action app you want to integrate with Otter.ai, such as Google Docs or Slack. In the Action App search bar, type and select your chosen app. Choose the action event that aligns with how you want to process your meeting notes. Click Continue and connect your chosen app to Zapier, if you haven't done so already. Once connected, customize the fields to specify how your meeting notes will be formatted. For example, you can choose to include the transcript text, speaker names, and timestamps. Click Continue to review your setup. Test the action to confirm that the integration works as intended. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to finalize the process. You've now automated the connection between Otter.ai and your chosen app for meeting notes. This automation will save you time and streamline your workflow effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.